जेन्युइनली अगर मैं कोई भी फिल्म करता हूँ, वो फिल्म से एक दो गाने होते हैं जो ऑब्वियसली यू लाइक मोर देन द अदर सॉन्ग्स. तो जब मुझे कोई भी गाना बहुत ज्यादा पसंद आता है, आई कांट कंट्रोल माई सेल्फ. इफ यू प्लेड एनीवे आई माइट स्टार्ट डांसिंग. इवन इफ आई एम ऑन द रोड एंड इट प्लेज, आई जस्ट लाइक गिव अ लिटिल.
आई टेल यू, वरुण को खुशी होती कि मेरा गाना बज रहा है, मेरा गाना बज रहा है, इट्स प्लेइंग, इट्स प्लेइंग, इट्स प्लेइंग. तो इवन आई एम ऑन द फोन विद हिम एंड सडनली द सॉन्ग विल स्टार्ट प्लेइंग. अगर हम लोग कोई इंपॉर्टेंट भी बात कर रहे हैं ना, ही स्टॉप टॉकिंग, द सॉन्ग इज प्लेइंग, चेंज, पुट द चैनल. सो it is just excitement, passion or excitement.
It's only passion.
इस गाने के पीछे माधुरी जी and संजू बाबा, how is that feeling? मतलब
and सरोज जी.
of course, yes.
I think हम सब बहुत nervous थे. Me, Varun, Shashank, Bosco, who has choreographed the song, and we were all very nervous. But I think हमारा एक ही एजेंडा था कि हमको recreate नहीं करना है, हमको ट्रिब्यूट देना है ऑलमोस्ट. कि हम लोग जब क्लब में होते हैं, आई एम श्योर जिन्होंने भी रात को क्लबिंग किया है, आई एम श्योर जब बॉलीवुड नाइट होता है और अगर कोई पुराना गाना बजता है, वी ऑल गेट सो एक्साइटेड, राइट? तो ये वही है, पुराना गाना बज रहा है,
ट्रिब्यूट.
You know, और आजकल ट्रेंड चल रहा है to recreate the old Hindi songs. But what we've done in this, what's done beautifully by Tanishq, who's our music director, we've retained the old voices. बप्पी दा की आवाज है, अनुराधा पोडवाल की आवाज है इसमें. Amin Siani is also there. So any obviously RJ आप हो तो आपको पता है who he is a legend in the RJing world. Amin Siani की भी आवाज है इसमें. So it's actually a hashtag TBT. It's actually a throwback. And Badshah is also wrapped in this. So it's a fusion of old and new. And I think सबसे ज़्यादा pressure Bosco के ऊपर होगा. He's over here. इधर छुपे हुए Bosco उधर छुपे हुए. सुभाष घई की टोपी चुरा के आए वो आज. पर क्योंकि Bosco, were you stressed recreating this song? Because Sarojji, being the legendary choreographer that she is, झूठ बोल रहा है आदमी, but no, I think we all were little nervous, obviously, but this is our take on it, and we don't want to take more time. I know you all want to see the song, judge it, criticize it, praise it, but honestly, हम लोग ने दिल से किया है. Like or dislike it, you all can say whatever you all want, but we honestly had a blast doing it, and we've already got a thumbs up from Baba and Madhuri ma'am.
There's too much pressure when Varun said we're doing Shashank, we got Tamma Tamma. So there was so much pressure on us to recreate this world because I think they had taken some 10 days and that's how I rehearsed for 19 days.
2 months he told us.
2 months, yeah.
Sanju sir told us, we met him last time, he said मैंने 2 महीने के लिए rehearsal किया था.
Shashank gave us only 4 days.
But Varun, how did Sanju Baba actually tell it to you? How did he say it to you?
He says, यार मैंने तो 2 महीने के लिए rehearsal किया था. And he told Alia to put the speaker on, and then Alia took a lot of time, and then he told Alia, are you drunk or am I drunk? No, I think what we did was, हम लोग ने जाके संजू सर को गाना दिखाया, हम लोग ने जाके माधुरी मैम को गाना दिखाया, and they both gave us that encouragement, and that's why we are so fired up today. More than that, I think Bappi Da, who is the original creator of this track, he's re-recorded his voice after so many years. Bappi Da re-recorded his voice. He's in this track, and when he gave his blessing, I mean, I spoke to him saying, "Tu mera bachcha hai," and all that. So I felt so good about that. And Sanju sir said he's played with Alia as a literally like a toddler, like
As a child, yeah.
as a child, but you're a baby.
I was a baby when I'm still a baby, but
अभी तो आलिया बड़ी हो गई है, नहीं बड़ी हो गई है? ये हो गई यार.
nobody's agreeing. 3 people have said हो गई है. हम लोग कहने नहीं बच्ची है अभी भी.
और इसमें नागिन वाला
I feel मैं अभी 24 की होने वाली हूँ, तो मुझे लगता है कि बहुत बड़ी हो गई
है 24.
पिछले साल से बड़ी हो गई हूँ मैं. I am not trying to step into her shoes because that is totally impossible. ऑब्वियसली बहुत, इनफैक्ट जब वो गए थे उनको दिखाने के लिए मैं ऐसे बैठी थी वहाँ पे, आई वाज सो नर्वस क्योंकि मैं बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ उनकी. एंड वरुण was saying, you know, Alia, I want to take a video of Madhuri ji, but looking at you, I just want to take a video of your expression right now.
मतलब माधुरी मैम ऐसे देख रही थी और आलिया माधुरी मैम को देखी. रिएक्ट और 3 minutes आलिया was just like
The night before that, मेरे को सपने आ रहे थे कि I was supposed to go to a house and I forgot to go, and I was getting nightmares and getting so scared because it's such a
even
big
when we
deal.
went to meet Sanju sir, so we were sitting in the car and Alia told her drivers, "आप बाबा के घर लो, बाबा के." सर बाबा के घर तेरे दोस्त है क्या? बाबा के घर.
1 second, I said आपको संजय दत्त का घर पता है? He said हाँ पता है. Then Sunil, my driver, who's a very big fan of Sanjay Dutt, he told Manoj, who's Varun's driver, बाबा के घर जा रहा है. So he is the one who said Baba, not me. No, but everybody calls him Baba, but I said Sanjay Dutt.
Actually, I have a great. My dad was doing this film with Madhuri ma'am called Yarana, which had Rishi Kapoor and her, and we were shooting in Switzerland. And there would be these long bus rides where we would go, and in the bus we would play the song. Sorry, in the bus we would play the song, and I would remember dancing with her. I would dance a lot with her. So in fact, recently when I met her, she said, "Varun, the way you danced with me in that bus, till date you've never danced on screen like that." Because obviously I was much younger then, and she's like, "The day you do that, that's the time you'll be completely free because you didn't care who I was, what I was. You were just dancing and enjoying it." I mean, I didn't, in my brain at that time, I couldn't fathom that I was dancing with the country's biggest star at that moment. But so I've had with her in a bus.
You had your own version of Chaiya Chaiya but in a bus. मुझे याद नहीं है exactly. I know I remember having Sanju around as a kid a lot क्योंकि he spent a lot of time with my father. So he knows me since I was a child. Madhuri ma'am, I think I met when I became an actor only. I don't think I met her. But actually मुझे बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि you know I know you since you were so small. But when I was so small, I had no idea who anybody
I'm
was.
still so small.
वरुण इसमें नागिन जैसी लड़की का क्या है? कुछ वो फिल्म में डायलॉग
कौन सी लड़की सर?
इसमें
बीन बजाती हुई नागिन.
वैसे ना ये है ना नगीना.
तो सिर्फ गाने में ही है या फिल्म में भी ऐसी कुछ बातें होंगी?
फिल्म में भी है. एक्चुअली स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर से ये जोक चलता था जब मिकी कॉन्ट्रैक्टर इनका मेकअप करते थे. ये अपना
You remember?
ये अपना लिपस्टिक खा जाती थी. तो लिपस्टिक खाते थे. ये खाना नहीं खाती थी बिकॉज़ शी वाज ट्राइंग टू लूज वेट.
Don't say that.
So we would call her
हाँ,
Nagina.
actually मेरा पेट नेम है नगीना, but I think उसका इससे कोई रिलेशन नहीं है.
I think that's all credit to Tanishq Bagchi, who's the music director and who's recreated the songs beautifully for us. Amin Siani की आवाज है. He's 90 years old, guys, and he's recorded this voice is his real voice, and he's done it now. So I mean, thank you, Amin Saab, for doing that for us. Thank you.
Is it just a promotional like publicity?
No,
No,
it's
it's
a
very
part.
much part of the movie. It's as we mentioned earlier, the fact that you know when we go out and we club, and if an old Bollywood song plays, we know the song, we lip sync to the song as well, and we kind of try and do all the popular dance moves. So that's exactly how it is placed in the movie. It's a bunch of friends going out, they're partying, and when they go out partying, it's the song that plays. And the whole idea, even when I met Bosco for the first time, we said that let's not try and create any new dance move, but let's try and give our tribute to the 90s. Let's give a throwback to all the 90s, because what happens is everyone doesn't know the hook step. So they know one hook step, and then we start putting in all the other hook steps of all the other songs in the same song. So that was really the idea of recreating it.
I was very excited. Varun actually was the one who called me up and said, Alia, we're doing Tama Tama. We have to bring our A game on. We have to reverse. We have to look amazing. We have to look smashing. Because that's what Varun always does. No? He'll always call me up and charge me up. And if I'm even a little bit down, I'll suddenly be up and all over the place. But that's actually how excited we were. But as Shashank said, if we are given the chance, we'll do it all over again. But I'm glad you guys liked it. Hit hogi, na?
Varun, you know, I'll tell you something very on. This is. It might sound freaky. I knew I'm going to do this song someday in my career, and this happened to me when I was 16 years old, working out with Sanjay Dutt in his own gym, and he had his CD disc player that time, and there was this Tamma Tamma written on it with felt pen. It was the original mixed version, I mean, of that time. And I said, Sanju sir, can I play this? And I was like, yeah, play. And he was in a ganji and he had this पेट मारने के लिए वो बैंड पहनते वो पहना हुआ था, and he put it on and then and I was just looking at him and he's double my size, but I was like, dude, अगर मैं ये गाना करूँगा तो मेरा क्या होगा? लोग पागल हो जाएंगे, तम्मा तम्मा अगेन. I started imagining वो bubble आता है, and it's happened now. And if you dream it, it can happen. I just
You know, a
that's-
very freaky story to this is when I was studying filmmaking in my institute. We all 90s fans, and the minute Tamma Tamma used to play, I was like, this song is going to be in my movie one day. So it is so big, and I know all my friends right now are probably thinking about it. So
उस जाने से पहले आपने देखा होगा गाने में कि हमने मैनिक्विन चैलेंज किया है, तो बहुत सारे लोग हैं यहाँ पे, एक बार हम सब मैनिक्विन चैलेंज कर लेते हैं.